Hey tubers, have you ever been at the store and seen ramen noodles and they got the two different brands, the Top Ramen and the Marchin? Well, which one's better? I've always wondered myself, so I got a package of each, beef flavored, and I need to eat some dinner. I'll try which one I like and throw away the other. Well, I'll feed it to the chickens. I hear they love ramen noodle. Okay, so let's just add a little hot water to this one. Now, the Top Ramen advertises no MSG. I don't know, I kind of like MSG sometimes. That's the thing about ramen noodles. You've got to let them just soak. Get the flavor, get the hot water to soften them up. And we wait. I'm going to have to edit this video anyway, so I'm just going to stop. Okay, I think I've got them soft enough to eat. And I like to go to the deli and just throw a little sliced roast beef in here, but we're going to taste them plain first. Up first is the Top Ramen No MSG. The noodles look very similar. The broth on this one is maybe a little bit more, I don't know, slightly different broth color. More orange maybe, I don't know. Not bad. Now we're going to go for of course, there's similar flavor. These noodles are of a slightly different texture. I didn't think so, but I'm going to give the nod to the Top Ramen. The noodles are not as, would doughy be a good way to describe it? Lumpy, chewy. Top Ramen good. This merchant is the loser. So yeah. Now I probably won't eat but about 5 bites of these noodles. And I will eat the beef though. This is from having hot pot with the family so much. They've got me throwing this stuff in water. Mmm. Mmm. Wow, for Food Lion roast beef. Really, really good. Dusty, try a piece. I think this is worth trying. And this dog will spit out bacon, so you know, oh yeah, she's sucking it down. That's how the real gourmet chefs do it. Just chop that shit up with scissors. Mmm. A very good meal. Yep. Top ramen, no MSG. And the difference really is the noodle. I think the no MSG top ramen are like 10 cents more. And it's probably because they're giving us a better quality of noodle. Well, I'm gonna let you go. Maru Chan. Mars Yu Chan. Maru Chan. Maru Chan Ramen Noodles. Yeah, I can screw it up 1,000 different ways.